Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Network panel now. Press F12 or Control plus Shift plus I and click Network. Once done, enable Preserve Log if you need to replay navigation, because otherwise requests clear on reload. Make sure to clear existing logs to avoid noise and reload the page to capture all requests from the very first byte. You want to see the waterfall populate. This shows timing, size, and status for each resource so you can inspect what happened and why the page behaved as it did. Now click any request to open the detailed view. Look at headers to confirm method, URL, and response codes, then check payload or request body to verify what you sent. Once you see response, you can read return data or JSON. Use the Preview tab for parsed objects. Make sure to inspect timing to understand blocking, DNS, connect, and download phases, because optimizing those phases reduces load time. Also filter requests, XHR versus doc, so you focus on the type you need. To finish, use filters and throttling to reproduce problems under specific conditions. Set network to slow 3G, then reload to see how assets behave. Once done, replay or copy the failed request as CURL to retest from a terminal, and check cores, auth headers, or status codes to find root causes. If things go wrong, export a HAR file and share it with a teammate. A good troubleshooting tip: enable Preserve Log, then reproduce the bug, so the HAR captures the full sequence of events for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.